how can we use ChatGPT more effectively.
I am excited to use this knowledge for my task in our day-to-day life.
Just by one prompt, you can change the entire game, make work faster for you.
Thank you, Freelancers Academy, and everyone who conducted this workshop for us. It was quite interesting and quite valuable.
What if I told you all there's a better way to get amazing responses from ChatGPT? We have someone who's like an absolute expert. Drum rolls. Let's welcome Rupert Shah.
टूल नॉलेज तो यूट्यूब पे भी मिल जाएगा. If I make you aware of tool, you can go home, you can see the YouTube video and you get. But my whole idea out here is to change the mindset how we look towards an AI. कितने लोग ने GPT को बोला यार ये गलत है, मेरे को थोड़ा बेटर चाहिए. ये कैरेक्टर देखा किसने? This is where game started changing. Stop Google, do Bard. Google के replacement. I'm not talking GPT का replacement.